Hi guys, if you want to make sure that an app starts up whenever Windows 10 starts up, okay, so you want any program or any tool or any application to run automatically when Windows starts up, you can easily do this setting. So let's see how to do this. What you have to do, let's for an example, I want handbrake. I want this software to start up whenever Windows 10 startups. This is handbrake. So just search that application in the Windows 10 search box. Okay, now right click on the search result and now click on open file location. Okay, once you are here, you will easily you can easily locate the shortcut. Okay, shortcut of that program or software. Okay, just right click and copy. Okay, copy that shortcut. Now let's do one more thing. Leave it copied and remain in the clipboard. We will paste it somewhere. Next step is right click on the start button and now click on run and now type cell startup. Okay, now click on OK. Now right click and paste the shortcut you just copied. Okay, now restart your computer and now every time when Windows 10 starts up, this will automatically start. Okay, so that's it guys. Please do like the video to support us and thanks for watching.